my next video. In this video, we shall solve some more questions, and we have also solved many questions in our last video. I hope you like my all video. So let us start from next video. In this video, we shall discuss some questions based on integers, numbers, as well as money and age. That means today we will solve miscellaneous question. So let us start our first question. The first question is the sum of three consecutive integers is 75. Then we have to find this integer. The question is very simple, and we have also solved such type question. So let us solve this question. The question is the sum of three consecutive integers is 75. Then what will the three integer? So our consideration is just as we have solved in our last video. So write its solution. First we consider the unknown quantities. That means there are three unknown quantities and that are three consecutive integers. So first we suppose that let us consider the first integer is equal to x. If x is the first integer, then its next integer will be x plus 1. That means if we suppose that the first integer is 1, then the second integer is obviously 1 plus 1. And the third integer will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is, the second integer will be 2 and the third integer is equal to 2 plus 1 and this will be 3. So if we suppose that the first integer is x, then the second integer is equal to x plus 1, it is obvious, and the third integer is equal to x plus 2. So our supposition is completed here. Our first integer is x, second is x plus 1 and the last is x plus 2. Now we follow the condition that given in the question is that we have to find the sum of three consecutive integers. Here we suppose the three consecutive integers that are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Now we write according to the problem. According to the problem, we get x plus 1 plus x plus 2. This is the sum of the three consecutive integers, and here the sum of three consecutive integers is 75. That means x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 75. And after solving, we get x plus x is equal to 3x plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 75. This is the required linear equation. This is the required linear equation. Now we solve this linear equation in order to find out the value of the unknown quantity, that is the x plus 1 and x plus 2. Here we first find out the value of x, and after getting the value of x, when we put the value of x in x plus 1, then we get the second integer, and after putting the value of x in x plus 2, we get the third integer. So let's follow the rule. solving the linear equation 3x plus 3 is equal to 75. So write here 3x plus 3 is equal to 75, or 3x is equal to 75 minus 3 by transposition method, or 3x is equal to 72. After subtracting 3 from 75 we get 72, or x is equal to 72 upon 3. Here 3 is multiplied with x, so when 3 goes across the border it becomes divided, so we get x is equal to 72 upon 3, and this implies x is equal to 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 12. That means the first integer is 24, and now we put the value of x in x plus 1, we get the second integer, and after putting x is equal to 24, then in x plus 2, then we get the third integer. So that therefore the first integer is equal to 24. Second integer is equal to 24 plus 1, and this is equal to 25, and the third integer is equal to 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. Here we get 24, 25 and 26. These are the three consecutive integers which when adding we get 75 as the result. So our result are 24, 25 and 26 are the three consecutive integers. I hope the solution is clear to everybody. Now let's see the next question. The next question is based on A's problem. So please listen carefully and try to understand. So let's see our next question. Question second. A man's age is 8 times his son's age. After 2 years, his age will be 6 times his son's age. Find their present ages. The question is very simple. The question is a man's age is 8 times his son's age. After 2 years, his age will be 6 times to his son's age. Then what are their present age? Okay, here the condition for son's age is not clear, so first we consider the son's present age is x, and then following the condition as given in the problem, we get the age of the man, and then making the linear equation, solving this, we get the value of x, which will be give the present age of his sons, and the next, when we put the value of x, we get the present age of the man. So let us start the solution by following the condition. First we consider, let us consider the present age, of son is equal to x years. Here we suppose the present age of his son is x years, then it is obvious that obviously the man's present age is equal to, as given in the condition, a man's age is 8 times his son is equal to 8x years, and after 2 years his son's age is equal to x plus 2 years, and man's age after 2 years is equal to 8x plus 2 years. These are our supposition that we have done here. Now we have to make the linear equation by which we can get our required result. So let's see the supposition once again. First we consider the present age of the son is x year. Then it is obvious that the man's age will be 8x. As given here, the man's age is 8 times his son's age. So if the son's age is 1 year, then his father's age is obviously 8 years. So if we consider son's age is x, then his father's age will be 8x. And after 2 years, the son's age will be x plus 2 years. Then his father's age after 2 years will be 8x plus 2 years. These are the conditions that we have right here. Now let us form our linear equation. So write according to the problem. According to the problem, we get 8x plus 2 is equal to 6 times of x plus 2. As given here, after 2 years, his age will be 6 times his son's age. So we write his age will be 6 times to his son's age after 2 years. Or we can write it 8x plus 2 is equal to 6x plus 12. And after solving, this implies 8x minus 6x is equal to 12 minus 2. And we get 2x is equal to 10. And this implies x is equal to 10 upon 2, which gives x is equal to 5. Here x is equal to 5 shows the present age of his son. So we write, therefore son's present age is equal to 8 years and man's age is equal to 8 multiplied by 5 years and 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40 years. So we get our result as 5 years and 40 years. I hope the solution is clear to everyone. Let's see the solution once again and try to understand what we write here. First we consider son's present age is equal to x year. Then his father age will be 8x year, because in the question the first condition is that a man's age is 8 times to his son's age. So if the son's age is x year, then his father's age will be 8x. And the second condition is after 2 years his age will be 6 times to his son. So after 2 years the son's age is x plus 2 years, then his father's age will be 8x plus 2 years. And then applying our condition, we get at 8x plus 2 is equal to 6 times of x plus 2. And after solving it by transposition method, we get the value of x is equal to 5, which shows that the present age of his son is 5 years, and the man's age is equal to 8, and put the value of x in place of x, we get 8 multiplied by 5, which gives 40 years. This is the solution of the second question. I hope that every student understood this solution very easily. So if you have any doubt, then you can mention your doubt in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.